Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to FICA's Holi celebration. Holi is meant to be a spring festival, which is officially spring up here, but if you look outside, I'm sure Mother Nature does not agree with us in terms of playing Holi. Holi is a celebration of color, and it is being celebrated on the day after the full moon in early March every year. It is a festival to celebrate good harvest and fertility of land. It is associated with the immortal love of Radha and Krishna. Each area in India celebrates Holi in different ways. But let's today get together and celebrate the way we want, the Holi, and enjoy ourselves. Holi is all about festival, color, food, and bhang. Though I'm sure we don't have bhang up here, but it would have been excellent if we would have had bhang up here.